The European Union is home to 27 member states, over 200 languages and countless cultural traditions. This diversity is not a challenge, it's a strength. The EU's motto, United in Diversity, reflects its commitment to cultural inclusion and cooperation. Through key treaties and programs such as the Maastricht Treaty, Erasmus+, and Creative Europe, the EU fosters cultural exchange and mutual understanding. These initiatives help preserve heritage while encouraging collaboration across borders. As educators, embracing cultural diversity in our classrooms helps students appreciate different perspectives, build empathy, and develop intercultural competencies essential for living and working in a globalized world. Practical ways to bring cultural diversity into education include multilingual learning, storytelling, cultural exchange projects, and discussions on traditions and identities. These activities prepare students to engage with the world around them. By embracing unity and diversity, we empower future generations to celebrate differences, foster inclusion, and build a more connected Europe. Let's explore how we can integrate these values into our teaching.